This is brought to you by fucking Scrub Production. I don't get it. This is not like fucking Lego stuff. Okay, let's see if I. Boy, oh my god, what a day! At first I'm thinking like this is just gonna be a fucking uh Lego, right? Lego build. Oh, the instruction manual is in place. All I have to do is follow that. But no, in this fucking case, it's missing exactly one pieces. What the fuck, man? Like literally, the fucking motherboard missing literally one stand-off screw. The fucking SSD doesn't even have that screw. The fucking power supply missing one. The fuck? Everything was going so well. Everything become more and more complicated because I put everything into this case. Just want to play game, All this for a few like game shit. It's not worth it, man. It's not worth it.